Making the perfect hot chocolate this Christmas week where the wind is blowing a gale, so we need something nice and hot. First thing first is a dash of whiskey. Then we pour the hot chocolate in, and an extra, this is only a little plastic cup, an extra spoonful of hot chocolate, stir it round, mix it up, there we go, then touch of milk, just to make it a bit better. Then put the milk back in the fridge because we don't want it going sour. Then we pour the hot water in. That's it. There you go. Stir it up. Put it in the sink. Then add the cream. And to top it off, we add the marshmallows. There we go. Couple of marshmallows there. That do. And what does it look like? It looks like that. In my new cup for Christmas, and it tastes absolutely delicious.